Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to explain about projection of vectors. Projection of vectors. Given two vectors, a bar and b bar, we can ask how far we will go in the direction of a bar when we travel along b bar. The distance we travel in the direction of a bar while traversing on b bar is called the component of b bar with respect to a bar and is denoted as component of b with respect to a bar. So the meaning is, here you can see two vectors, a bar, this total vector is a bar and this vector is b bar. Now I am traveling on this vector b bar. I am traveling on vector b bar. Now I want to find the how much distance I covered in the direction of a bar. I am repeating, I am traveling on this vector b bar. I want to find out the distance. I want to find out how much distance I covered in the direction of a bar. That means this is our vector b bar. So this pink arrow is nothing but our distance. So that is nothing but component of b bar with respect to a bar. The distance, I am repeating, the distance we travel in the direction of a bar while traversing on b bar is called the component of b bar with respect to a bar and is denoted component of b bar with respect to a bar. Right? So I am traveling on this vector b bar. Or simply the shadow of this vector is nothing but this pink. This one. This gives component of b bar with respect to a bar. Now we want to find this length, right? Length of this pink vector. So for this, so in intermediate, we have studied this formula a bar dot b bar is equals to length of a bar into length of b bar cos theta, right? Or a bar dot b bar is equals to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar cos theta, dividing both sides by magnitude of a bar, then we get a bar dot b bar by length of a bar or magnitude of a bar, that equals to magnitude of b bar cos theta, right? Now here you can see one right triangle is there, right? So what is cos theta? Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is nothing but this component of, so cos theta is equals to, we can write as, how to write cos theta is equals to component of b bar on a bar by hypotenuse. So length of this vector, here what is the length of this vector? Length of this vector is nothing but this magnitude of b bar. So finally what we can write, component of b bar is equals to magnitude of b bar into cos theta, right? So component of b bar on a bar is equals to, what is this magnitude of b cos theta? From this one, a bar dot b bar by magnitude of a bar. This is the component formula. I am repeating, I am traveling on this vector b bar. Now I want to find out the distance in the direction of a bar, that is component of b bar a bar. This component of b bar on a bar is scalar. Component of b bar on a bar is, or with respect to over a bar, is scalar. So projection, if we find out the vector, so we already know magnitude, right? This magnitude we know. If we find this vector, total vector, that is projection, right? The vector parallel to a bar with magnitude component of b bar on a bar in the direction of a bar is called the projection of b bar onto a bar, and is denoted as projection of b bar on a bar. So projection of b bar is a vector, component is scalar. Therefore, the component of b bar on a bar is equals to a bar dot b bar by magnitude of a bar. So the unit vector in the same direction as a bar is given by a bar by modulus of a bar by magnitude of a bar. So projection of b bar on a bar is equals to a bar dot b bar by square of magnitude into a bar. Find the projection of u equals to I plus 2j. You see one problem. Find the projection of u equals to I plus 2j on v is equals to I plus j. So projection of u on v is equals to u dot v by square of magnitude of v into v. So first calculate u dot v. So dot product of these two vectors, I dot I is 1 plus 2 into 1, j dot j is 1, 2 into 1, that is 2. So u dot v is equals to 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. Now what is the magnitude? Magnitude of v is the square root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. We need square of magnitude of v, so that is root 2 whole square, that equals to 2. So finally projection of u on v, and v equals to u dot v by square of magnitude of v into v. So that is 3 by 2 I plus j. So 3i by 2 plus 3j by 2. Now we see one more problem. Find the component of u equals to I plus j in the direction of v is equals to 3i plus 4j. So here u dot v is equals to, what is u dot product of v and v? I dot I is, so 1 into 3, j dot j is 1 into 3. So u dot v is equals to 7. Magnitude of v is square root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is root 25, that is equals to 5. So now component of u on v. So what is that value? U dot v by magnitude of v, that is equals to 7 by 5. Next example. If coordinates in the plane are rotated by 45 degrees, the vector I is mapped to 1 by root 2I plus 1 by root 2j, and the vector j is mapped to v is equals to minus 1 by root 2I plus 1 by root 2j. Find the components of w is equals to 2I minus 5j with respect to the new coordinate vectors u and v, that is, express w in terms of u and v. What is given? I is mapped to u when this I vector is rotated 45 degrees, right? 45 degrees anti-clockwise. So then we get, rotating this means 1 by root 2I plus 1 by root 2j. And again, this vector, u vector, 1 by root 2I plus 1 by root 2j. Similarly, j vector also, this vector is also rotated. Then we get minus 1 by root 2I plus 1 by root 2j. What is our vector w? This position. This is our w vector, 2I minus 5j. Now we want to find the components of w with respect to new coordinate vectors, right? So this is our u and this is our v. So w is 6. So that means what he is asking, component of w on u. So component of w on u is what? What is its value? W dot u. First calculate w dot u. What is w dot u? Minus root 3 by 2. W dot v minus 7 by root 2. What is now magnitude of u? Magnitude of u is 1. Magnitude of v is also 1. Now component of w on u. So component of w on u is nothing but, what is w dot u by magnitude of v. That value is minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, component of w on v is minus 7 by root 2. So we need to express w in terms of u and v. So how to express this w? This I u plus v, right? So what is the component? Minus 3 by root 2. So w is equals to minus 3 by root 2 u plus minus 7 by root 2